Hello friends, today I have a quick video that I hope is going to be very useful to you in many of your future lens repairs, and that is how to clean an helicoil. And I have here an helicoil which is disassemble. It doesn't matter how I reach this point, because in the channel you can find many videos showing you how to disassemble a lens up to reach to this point. So you just take a look into the channel, try to look for the specific lens you are working on, and you might find it on the channel, because I have already many hundreds of lenses and of videos on the channel. So the cleaning of an helicoil is rather simple. I have this one here that belongs to a Zeiss Distagon 28mm, and it's an interesting example because it has the big helicoil. It's not very sticky, but then the grease doesn't feel very good. And you have the fine pitch helicoil here that allows for the rotation of the focusing ring, and this thing is not going to move, and the coarse pitch is going to do the big translation of the lens. So this lens is not feeling very good in hand when using it, so we are going to clean it. And to do that, I will show you the tools I use and that you might use. First thing, very important, lighter fluid. That's to dissolve or remove the old grease. You can use also barbecue gas or simply gasoline, depends on what you can find around where you live. A toothbrush, this is an old toothbrush, this is very easy to find everywhere. Then toilet paper, very easy to find as well, at least I hope for you it is easy to find. And the grease we are going to put afterwards. I use this grease is SKF LG-LT2 that I've been using it for many years, and it's normally a bearing grease, high performance bearing grease, and for me it has given very good results, so I have nothing to say against it. And if you cannot find this grease, you can find lens grease, but I'm hoping to do soon a video showing you how to select the proper grease for an application, for a given application, so that will be coming soon. Okay, to do the cleaning, very easy. Let us just start by this one, and I think it's going to keep it, I'm going to keep it like that, because the rest is going to be a repetition of this. So I have the fine thread, the coarse thread. I have a few marks here on the lens, that's to indicate the infinity. So if you do like me marks using a pen, be careful, because with the gasoline you might erase them. Or you can do mechanical marks. I am not very fan of those, because I don't like degrading the lens. So first thing, to do the cleaning, let us just open the lighter fluid, and then we dip just a bit, and then with the toothbrush just come, and then you see the lighter fluid is doing his job very quickly. The grease is moving out of the threads, so, and I'm just pushing it around. So I think I have done already a full turn, and then what I need is to do with the toilet paper, just to clean it. Well, the grease I would say is in quite good condition, because usually, most of the time, when an helicoil is blocked, this thing, the toilet paper, comes out black. Okay, I think we are done with the exterior thread. Now it's very clean. We will proceed to the interior. The interior, I would say, is even easier. So I put lighter fluid, then I rotate, so it spreads on the threads. And it's already working, you see the grease is getting out by herself. So here you see the mark I did is almost faded, so I'm going to redo it again before I loosen it like forever, because if you don't keep your marks, the risk is that you will spend a lot of time figuring out how to reassemble the lens, and essentially just how to get the adjustment of the helicoid. Okay, so far so good. We are clean now. So this stage comes usually a bit later. I'm just going to do it now, so you get the whole picture on the servicing of an helicoid, and that is how to put the grease. I will need a different tool, which is this thing here. You just need something flat, you don't need exactly this tool. And then, very easy, just put a bit of grease around the thing. So like that, and then with the flat tool just come and then you spread it so it goes inside the threads. So when you're going to reassemble the lens into the slot, I'm not going to do it right now because this part I have to clean still using the same procedure you saw, but then once you get in position, you just rotate a few times back and forth so the grease spread in the threads and your lens will be good. to be working again. So this is all. I will finish obviously the lens afterwards, but you saw it is extremely simple how to clean and regrease an helicoid. So see you next time.